Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today's episode is a really special one. This is to celebrate my birthday, which was last week. It was my golden birthday on the 30th, and I'm excited, and I wanted to share a recipe that I absolutely love. So last year I shared a hummingbird cupcake recipe, so I figured why not share a hummingbird cookie recipe? So this recipe I will link in the description box below. It's not mine, but you guys can see exactly how I make it. So if you guys love cookie recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. Alright, welcome back. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then in a bowl you want to add your melted butter, your white sugar, and your brown sugar. Whisk that all up and add in your egg. I added about half of an egg because I was making half the recipe, just 15 cookies versus the 30. Now you want to whisk this really well until it's a nice pale yellow color. And then in a separate bowl, you want to add in your dry ingredients. So that is my 2 types of flours, whole wheat and regular white, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, ginger, nutmeg, and lastly, allspice. All of these spices are in a hummingbird cake, so you definitely want to make sure and have all of them in these cookies. Now, the exact measurements will be in the description box below in the recipe link. And now back to our wet ingredients, you want to add crushed pineapples. And I just crushed them myself. I had a can of regular pineapple slices and then just sliced them. And then to the wet ingredients, you also add vanilla extract. Whisk that all together so it's nice and mixed up, and then slowly start adding in your dry ingredients, making sure to mix it really well so that you do not see any dry flour at all. Now you just take a shallow bowl and fill it with some sweetened coconut flakes. And then you take about 2 tablespoons each of that mixture, the cookie mixture, and roll it around in those coconut flakes so that all of the surface is covered. This makes it so good. The texture is nice and crispy because of the coconut flakes, and honestly the sweetened coconut flakes adds a little bit more sweetness just because we didn't add that much sugar to these cookies. And that's it. You pop this in the oven for about 17 to 18 minutes. I think I did about 18-19 minutes, and now you're ready to make your icing. So for the icing, it was just powdered sugar and some of that pineapple juice from the can. You just whisk that all up, and you want the consistency to be runny, so I did add a little bit more pineapple juice until it was that perfect consistency. And now that my cookies are out of the oven, I just drizzled it with that amazing pineapple icing, and just appreciate how delicious this looks. I wish I had some more again, because just looking at this video I want to make it again. And that's it. It's perfect. It cooks so well. It's nice and crispy on the outside, but then inside it's just nice and soft. So I made about 15 of these big cookies, and they were a hit at work and definitely a hit at home as well. Alright, there you guys go. That is one of my favorite dessert recipes, and since it was my birthday, I thought I'd share one of my favorite recipes with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.